something
Excuse
like that. Depends on you aren't four, but we were the real bottom four. Actually, di ba na si Derek, what happened Saturday? What happened? Like, parang, wala akong masabi. Like, it really was my worst one that I've done. But I can accept it.
My God, sabi ni Derek, kalaban mo sarili mo.
Klaro
Sabi
man.
niya.
Oo.
Kasi, para sa kanila magaling na ako, pero wala.
Kung believe.
Alam mo, I remember...
Hoy! Meron na.
Meron ano?
Meron akong bilib sa sarili ko.
Ala.
Siyempre, sila bilib na bilib sa akin. Ako hindi. My God, no.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede yun.
We just have to rock
Saka
it.
nakikita ko naman din sa video na nag-improve ako. So, it's time for me to...
Me and Ben pretty much have the same problems. Except, though, the thing
Hoy,
about
malaki
Ben...
yung sa kanya.
Ano?
Malaki yung tiyan niya.
But the problem with Ben... I mean, the problem with me... Van found his... So you're gonna be...
Wala siya baby fat. Ako na. Apa.
Sabi niya, matanda ka na raw. Kaya wala kang baby.
Ano?
Yung problema. Gusto ko na nga mag 24 eh. Para at least wala na akong fats. Kasi kahit ganun yung fat ko, hindi ako
Pero sabi ni Direk, they think I'm young. Just younger than Miguel. People think I'm young. I have the life, you know why? Because this is my second lease on life. I feel like a kid. Imagine I have 5 years of my life to this stupid disease.
You look
I hate
younger.
Ben? Ben. Joke.
Oh my God.
Totoo kasi. Ay, aray. Gago ka.
Hindi, yung tsura mo talaga.
Alam mo, sa weather,
We
masaya
have a
natin.
relationship.
Sam.
Sinabi na naman.
Some people. No, my question was about how are we doing in the house? Not about me and Ben because
Hindi dahil, sinabi na may ginagawa sa bahay. Hindi yun yung ibig sabihin.
Hindi yun.
Hana?
Ang ibig sabihin
We see it
nun,
just like that kasi parang kapag kapatid tayo na to the extent na ginagawa nilang issue para mag-ano.
tapos, baka
I don't care.
sinasabi nila na,
No.
Before
But
ka
what I
pumasok.
was asking Direk was how are we doing in the house? Are we doing anything wrong? Meaning like our character-wise.
Oh,
like,
hindi ginagawa din.
That's what I was thinking. Like, am I doing something wrong the way I'm being portrayed or something like that? But no. The people love us. But he just has come because they found him na rocker. Me, I think pop talaga. I have to go back to like if I do Stand By Me the way it sounded in dance. Maganda yun, no? Stand by me, darling, darling, stand by me, oh stand by me, oh stand now.
ikaw itong praktisi ang rock.
Uy, wag ka man Bisaya. Bawal na.
Ay,
Tryin ako. Ganahan masin ko mag-serious naman.
Ala, puro Bisaya. You're not supposed to be Bisaya.
Gusto ko din mag-serious konti. Ay, next week, di ako rat.
Oh, this week you're serious. This is your first serious. No?
Gagawin ko lahat.
Ako.
Mag-ano ako, huhugot ako ng emotion. Tutulong ako kaya. Titipoy.
Ano ba yun? We're gonna do well. Saturday, I really know it. Because our yung working attitude natin.
di na ay, ang kamot pa ganang, di sila.
Ala! Bisaya na naman. Bawal.
Sorry.
I'm gonna chancing now.
Wala, nagka-chancing na naman. Oh. Para magkaroon ng issue, joke.
Yeah, because... Chancing! Chancing with mommy.
Ala.
Mami.
Ang hirap ng kalaban ko. Ang aming fans.
Gusto ko talaga liban.
Masakit ko.
Kalaban ko,
alam mo.
masa.
Masa ka din.
Laban mo sarili mo.
Masa.
Sarili mo.
Hindi.
Laban mo tayo magaling.
But if you get to see Chivas, can you video it? Trapohisad. Can you make video?
Papahisad.
Huh?
Pwede ba kung videoan siya?
No, parang... Ayaw nga pala, iba nga pala yung meaning nung sa kanya. No?
Diba? Kasi ikaw naman...
Stiff girl.
Hindi, ikaw kasi ngayon ka palang lumalabas sa
Stiff
yung
girl.
sa iyong shell ika nga. Naks.